If you're going to make an effort to learn a language, you don't want to waste your time on something that doesn't work, right? Hi, I'm Dave Clark, co-founder of VillageLingo and former director of the U.S. Institute of Languages. Have you ever heard of someone who learned a language, then a few weeks later, they can't remember a thing they learned? Or if they did remember some words, they can't put them together to speak to anybody? VillageLingo fixes this problem, and here's how. To help you remember the words you learn, you need mental hooks. Here's a picture of the garage entry at my house I'll use as an example. As you can see, there are hooks for coats, jackets, and backpacks. But if the kids don't use the hooks, their stuff goes on the bench area, and it may be there for months, lost to the rest of the world and unavailable for use. We need hooks to organize language in our brains so we can remember the words we learn. How does this work in language learning? First, let's look at what does not provide a good hook. Using plain photos to represent words does not provide a good hook. This is what almost every language product does. Good hooks are created when images that represent words have 1. Action. The images are moving, which triggers the brain to remember better. 2. Emotion. Research has proven that you can remember things better if they're tied to emotions. And 3. Something out of the ordinary. For example, you can remember commercials better if they involve something out of the ordinary. This hooks new vocabulary words into your brain, so you can pull them up and use them as needed. The next challenge in speaking a new language is learning how to put words together to form sentences. VillageLingo teaches you a system to connect words together to form sentences. We teach you which types of words you can swap in and out at the right points to form new sentences properly. Try the free part of the VillageLingo app now and see how well you remember words and can converse compared to other courses you've tried. Thanks for joining me. If you like what you've seen, give it a try.